Welcome to the channel. Imagine a world where diseases are cured by simply editing our DNA. Welcome to the future of medicine, where genetic engineering is reshaping the way we treat illnesses. Let's explore how this groundbreaking science could change everything. Genetic engineering is all about manipulating an organism's DNA to correct or enhance specific genes. By using precise tools like CRISPR, scientists can cut, add, or replace genes, allowing them to repair mutations causing genetic disorders. This ability to alter DNA at such a granular level opens the door to a future where diseases are no longer an inevitable part of life. Most of the most exciting applications of genetic engineering is the potential to cure genetic disorders. Diseases like cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, and Duchenne muscular dystrophy are caused by faulty genes. With genetic engineering, doctors could now target and repair these genes directly, offering hope for permanent cures that weren't possible just a few decades ago. Genetic engineering also opens up the world of personalized medicine. By understanding a patient's genetic makeup, doctors can design treatments that are specifically tailored to them. This could mean better outcomes and fewer side effects, as therapies are customized to align with each individual's unique genetic profile. But genetic engineering isn't just about curing diseases, it's also about regenerating what's been lost. Imagine a world where doctors can grow organs and tissues from a patient's own cells. This could completely eliminate the need for organ transplants, reducing rejection rates and saving countless lives. Even more revolutionary, genetic engineering could prevent diseases before they even begin. By editing the genes responsible for conditions like heart disease, cancer, or Alzheimer's, we could stop these illnesses in their tracks, long before they show any symptoms. This type of preventative medicine could change the way we approach healthcare forever. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. While the potential benefits of genetic engineering are enormous, there are also serious ethical concerns. What happens when we begin editing genes to enhance traits like intelligence or physical appearance? How do we ensure that this technology isn't abused and that it's used for the greater good of humanity? These are questions we'll need to answer as we move forward. The road to fully realizing the potential of genetic engineering in medicine is just beginning. Though there are still challenges to overcome, ethical, scientific, and logistical, the future is incredibly promising. With continued research and careful consideration, genetic engineering could revolutionize medicine and offer solutions to some of the world's most pressing health problems. Genetic engineering is more than just a scientific breakthrough, it's the key to a healthier future. From curing genetic diseases to growing organs and preventing illness, the possibilities are endless. But we must approach this powerful tool with caution and responsibility. What do you think about the future of genetic engineering in medicine? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the future of science and medicine. Let's stay ahead of the curve together.